Hi guys, I tell you about this course and my own experience, and you can study English, you can learn English for a long time, but and you can understand all you hear, but in some cases you can shy to communicate with people. And at first I think you need to work with your own character, and this course will discipline you, and it's true, and that's why I work every day. We will focus group, and as our own practice showed, everything is possible. So I have a low level of English compared to other students of the course, but I finished with this great team, and all this course is well thought out. It's true, and you don't need to spend your time and looking for something else. I can say that this methodology already tested and really work. Please don't miss your live session, because it's you are not only student. I hope you will be friends, and it will be very helpful to your fluency, spontaneous speech. We always looking for something special, but we don't want to work every day, and it's very important to have a great teacher near. Thank you, Vadim, for your help, and you always answered all our questions very promptly, and you give us good advices, and your tips always work. And my main tip for you guys: arrange with your family to support you, because you really will need time. And please do your homework every day. It's very important. So of course you will have a lot of speaking practice, speaking actions, and your pronunciation level will improve. I know that it will be intensive, but after that I'm sure you will be proud of yourself, and do this only for yourself. Take part in this course. At the beginning it will be difficult, of course, but you will see your own results, and I'm sure you begin to enjoy all this. The opposites of success is an action, and failures are just steps on your own way towards success. Good luck, and thank you for this great experience.